South Philly snow.
Don't hold that old.
Yeah.
You gotta hold it on the sides.
Yeah, okay.
You'll muffle the sound.
There we go. This is South Philly in the fucking snow right now. We're sliding down yesterday's dreams right down the way. Oh, fucking want a whole goddamn show today. Fucking just saw the house. It's fucking awesome.
Right.
Yes,
now.
it's awesome. The fucking best house in South Philly. Open
Yeah,
floor
yeah.
plan will be enjoyed with the hardwood floors. It really is amazing. There's Joe's Food Market. Thank you. Right now, we are contemplating some sort of nutritional enjoyment. We're also enjoying pretty flowing conditions as far as driving right about now.
It's because we're on a major road.
We're on a major road. We're enjoying right here. City of enjoyment. There you go. All right. Talk to you later.